Jeera Aloo is a quick and easy yet really delicious dry aloo sabzi that gets ready in literally minutes. I mean, if you have boiled potatoes, then you can make this in just about 7 to 10 minutes from start to finish, as it requires only a handful of ingredients and almost no prep, which makes it perfect for busy weekdays. And here's how you can make it. Start with lightly heating up 1.5 tablespoons of oil. To it, first add 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds or jeera. Lightly roast it for a few seconds just to give it a head start. And then add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds that have been roughly crushed and lightly roast it for a few seconds. Then add in half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida powder and 2 chopped green chillies. Mix it in and let it roast for another few seconds or so. After which add in 1.5 tablespoon of chopped ginger and lightly roast it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add in a 1/4 teaspoon each of red chilli and haldi or turmeric powder and about 3/4 teaspoon of salt or to taste and mix it in. Now finally add in the boiled potatoes, chopped into bite-sized pieces. I have used 1¼ pounds of potatoes here, which is about 550 grams. And right now for this video I have used a mix of yellow and red baby potatoes, but mostly I just use the regular potatoes. Ensure to properly mix the potatoes with the tempering and then cook it covered or on open flame for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring intermittently, just until the potatoes absorb all the flavors, and done. Jeera Aloo is ready to serve. Quick and easy yet really delicious. Serve it with rotis, chapatis or as a side with dal and rice and enjoy. For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!